Alright, 24 hours later, the dye's dried up, the second layer is complete. Now we're just gonna get the conversion kit onto the car so we can get these seats onto the Mustang. There's the size 13 as well? Yeah. Those are 15, okay. So the fronts are 13 and the rear is 15. Need me to grab a side?
I just gotta unplug it.
Okay. Is your battery unplugged?
Nope.
Oh.
I've never unplugged my battery.
I guess that's fair.
Bro got me at the most awkward angle. There we go. Is this still connected to something? Oh. Duh.
We are a quarter of the way done. Well, we might as well vacuum it while we have the...
Oh yeah. It's a rape. Right. Get this one out. Set this one to come out. Did I forget to do one? There we go. There you go. Just hit myself in the chin. So one of the main reasons I wanted to switch my seats out, wrong side.
Oh, is
This
it?
one right here, it's the bar that usually holds this up, it's sticking out. So whenever I'm racing and I'm getting them G's, pushing that bar into my back leaves it sore the next day. It's not fun, you know?
Yeah,
so these new bucket seats, they should keep me sitting straight, hopefully.
Bracket conversion kit.
So the seats came with these bolts to mount them to the seats. I only got 7 out of the 8 because these are used seats. So obviously y'all have seen me clean them up, make them nice. Bought them for $150. They go for 900 new. I really like how much I spent on these. So to be missing one bolt and having to buy another one for $5, I could care less. No one's gonna see it anyways.
This thing's a steal. This whole process.
There you go.
Okay. So it goes like this. No. Need 2 bolts to start.
You spin me right round, baby, right round like.
Thanks, pal. Yeah. These are gonna look nice once we get them complete. All right, gang, we just got our first seat in. Honestly, great deal.
What?
Oh, you got the second one in too. This is gonna be a shorter video than I thought, guys. We're not sponsored by Lowe's, by the way.
Okay. Why is he mocking? Oh shit, wait, let's not kill ourselves. Oh my god. Oh god. Ah, oh, the Lowe's! No! Ah! Oh my god! Matches his
Shifter.
Shifter, yeah. I like.
Hi, dude.
I'll tell you now.
Yeah.
Chat, I almost forgot.
Yep. Test drive.
Got the airbag light.
Oh yeah. They feel tighter.
They really hug you. They did that.
Yeah, I'm not moving. I'm stuck. I'm good.
You buckled in?
Seats are in, job is done. Hopefully those track days are a little easier to work with now that there is a fixed seat. So,
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.